Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, we are studying practice set 5.1 of chapter coordinate geometry. In previous video we completed first 4 examples. Let's see example number 5. Show that points P2 minus 2, Q7 3 are 11 minus 1 and here 6 minus 6 are vertices of parallelogram. In this example, we have to follow the condition of parallelogram. Condition about sides of parallelogram. What is the property about sides of parallelogram? Property is that opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Right? Now, to satisfy this condition, we have to find 4 distances: PQ, QR, RS, PQ, QR, RS and PS. If we get opposite sides congruent, then we can say that these are vertices of parallelogram. Now let's find all 4 distances. Solution now. First take PQ. Let P is equal to x1 y1, coordinates are 2 minus 2. Q is equal to x2 y2, coordinates are 7 3. Let's find distance. Distance PQ is equal to, now distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here reason or support distance formula. Now put values. Square root of x2 7, x1 2, 7 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 3 minus y1 minus 2 in bracket. Here I do square bracket square is equal to subtraction 7 minus 2 5 bracket square plus 3 minus plus 2 3 plus 2 5 bracket square. Now here let's write squares. 5 square 25 plus 5 square 25 and here we get root 50. This is distance PQ. Root 50 give here number 1. Now we got distance PQ. Now let's find distance QR. Let Q is equal to x1 y1, coordinates are 7 3. R is equal to x2 y2, coordinates are 11 minus 3. Distance QR is equal to, distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Square root of x2 11 minus 3, 11 minus 7, sorry, 11 minus 7 bracket square plus minus 3 minus 3 bracket square. Square root of 11 minus 7 4 bracket square plus minus 3 minus 6 bracket square is equal to square root of 16 plus 36 and addition 40 52. Square root of 52 give here number 2. For distance QR, let's find RS. Let R is equal to x1 y1, 11 minus 1. S is equal to x2 y2, 6 minus 6. Distance RS is equal to square root of distance formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to square root of x2 6 minus 11 bracket square plus minus 6 minus 1 bracket square is equal to square root of 6 minus 11 higher addition minus 5 bracket square plus minus 6 minus plus 1 6 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 bracket square is equal to square root of minus 5 square 25 plus minus 5 square 25 is equal to value is root 50, number 3. Distance RS is equal to root 50. The fourth distance we have to find PS. Let P is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 2 minus 2. S is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 6 minus 6. Distance PS is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Square root of x2 6 minus x1 2 bracket square plus minus 6 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of 6 minus 2 4 bracket square plus minus 6 minus plus minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 bracket square. Square root of 16 plus 16 is equal to square root of 32, number 4. This is distance PS. Now we got all 4 distances, but if we observe, we get distance PQ is equal to distance RS is equal to root 50 from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3, these are equal. And distance QR is equal to distance PS is equal to root 32 from 2 and 4. Means these are opposite sides of a quadrilateral. And if opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal, then we can say these are vertices of parallelogram. Therefore, we can write here, therefore, points P, Q, R, S are vertices of a parallelogram. In this way, we proved it. Now let's see example number 6. We have to show points A, B, C, D are vertices of rhombus. As we have proved for parallelogram that opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are congruent. The same way for rhombus we know that all sides of rhombus are equal. Therefore here also we have to find all 4 distances, and here we should get all 4 distances equal. Let's start. First, let's find AB. Let A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to minus 4 minus 7. B is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are minus 1 2. Let's find AB. Distance AB is equal to, by distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here support or reason by distance formula. Now put values. Square root of x2 minus 1 minus x1 is also minus 4 bracket square plus y2 2 minus 7 bracket square. Square root of minus 1 minus plus 4 minus 1 plus 4 3 bracket square plus 2 minus plus 2 plus 7 9 bracket square is equal to square root of 9 plus 9 9s are 81 and value is square root of 90. Distance AB root of 90, give here number 1. Let's find BC. Let B is equal to x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 2. C is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are 8 5. Distance BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Square root of x2 8 minus x1 minus 1 bracket square plus y2 5 minus 2 bracket square is equal to 8 minus minus plus 1 9 bracket square plus 5 minus 2 3 bracket square 81 by 9 are plus 3 3 are 9. Addition is 90. Number 2. Distance BC also we got square root of 90. After BC, let's find CD. Let C is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 8 5. D is equal to x2 y2 5 minus 4. Distance CD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Square root of 5 minus 8 bracket square plus minus 4 minus 5 bracket square. Square root of 5 minus 8 minus 3 bracket square plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 bracket square. Square root of 9 plus 81 root 90. Number 3. Third value also we got root 90. Now let's find fourth distance AD. Let A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to coordinates are minus 4 minus 7. D is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 5 minus 4. Distance AD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Square root of x2 5 minus minus 4 bracket square plus minus 4 minus minus 7 bracket square. Square root of 4 minus minus plus 5 plus 4 9 bracket square plus minus 4 minus minus plus minus 4 plus 7 minus 3 bracket square. Root 9 9s are 81, 3 3s are 9 is equal to root 90. Number 4. Distance AD is also we got square root of 90. If you observe all four distances, therefore we can write distance AB is equal to distance BC is equal to distance CD is equal to distance AD. All four distances are equal, and if all four distances are equal, therefore we can say now points ABCD are vertices of a rhombus ABCD. In this way we proved it. Example number 7. This is a very easy example. We have to find x. Distance between points L and M is given. Now here let L is equal to x1 y1 is equal to x7, M is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 115. Therefore distance LM is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square by distance formula. Now here you see distance LM. Distance LM is given. What is distance LM? 10. Therefore put here value of distance LM 10 is equal to square root of, and here also 1 minus x bracket square plus 15 minus 7 bracket square. 10 is equal, now we have to solve it. 1 here expansion, first term 1 minus second term x means a minus b bracket square. First term square 1 square sin minus 2ab means 2x plus second term square x square plus 15 minus 7 8 bracket square. 10 is equal to square root of, now here 1 minus 2x here plus x square plus 64. 10 is equal to square root of, now here you see x square minus 2x, 64 plus 1, 65. Okay, in this way, this is quadratic, but this is in square root sign. If we don't want square root sign, we have to square on both sides. Then squaring, square here and square here also. Therefore, square of 10, 100, and square of this means square root will be removed. X square minus 2x plus 65. Support here squaring. After that, transfer order. Here I write x square minus 2x plus 65, and 100 is transferred there, minus 100 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus subtraction here 35 is equal to 0. Now it is quadratic. We have to factorize 35. Then 7 5s are x square minus 7x plus 5x. See, sum is minus 2, minus 35 is equal to 0. Now we know that, we have already learned in quadratic equation. Grouping now, x common in bracket x minus 7 plus 5 common x minus 7 is equal to 0. So this common bracket is x minus 7, second bracket x plus 5 is equal to 0. Separation now, x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get x is equal to 7 here or x is equal to minus 5. In this way, we got here two values of x, 7 or minus 5. Example number 8. Show that points A, B, C are vertices of equilateral triangle. And property about sides of equilateral triangle is that all three sides of a triangle of that triangle are equal. Again, we have to find three distances: AB, BC, AC. Let A is equal to x1, y1. Coordinates are 1, 2. B is equal to x2, y2. Coordinates are 1, 6. Find AB. Distance AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Reason or support distance formula. Put values. X2 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 bracket square plus 6 minus 2 bracket square. Square root of 1 minus 1 0 bracket square plus 6 minus 2 4 bracket square. Square root of 0 plus 16, and we get distance AB root 16. If you want to write this root, you can 4. Number 1, distance AB is equal to 4. Now let's find distance BC. BC. Let B is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 1 6. C is equal to x2 y2 is equal to, coordinates are 1 plus 2 root 3. This is 1. x2 y2 is 4. Do it carefully. Distance BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Square root of x2. x2 is this. 1 plus 2 root 3 x2 minus x1 is 1 bracket square plus y2 is 4 minus 6 bracket square root of, now here you see 1 minus 1 cancel, 1 minus 1 0 here, 1 minus 1 0, no need to write, means only 2 root 3 is left here, it is cancelled. Understood now? 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 root 3 is left, bracket square, plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of, now square of 2 root 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 plus square of minus 2, 4 is equal to root 16, and here addition we got root 16 and root 16 is equal to 4. Number 2, distance BC is also 4. Second, by third distance AC, let A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 1 2, C is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 1 plus 2 root 3 comma 4. Distance AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Square root of x2, here again 1 plus 2 root 3 minus x1 1 bracket square plus y2 4 minus 2 bracket square is equal to square root of, here also 1 minus 1 cancel, then 2 root 3 is left bracket square plus 4 minus 2 2 bracket square. Square root of 2 root 3 bracket square, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 2s are 4, 16 and root 16 is 4. Number 3. Third, distance AC also we got 4. Therefore, if you observe all three distances, therefore distance AB is equal to distance BC is equal to distance AC. All three distances we got same. All three distances are equal, 4. And if all three distances, all three sides of any triangle are equal, then that triangle is equilateral triangle. Therefore, we can say here points. Therefore, points A, B, C are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Dear friends, in this way we have completed practice set 5.1. If you